All right, so in order to add a user, we need to make a post request. So as you can see, I define a route on post. I define post request on the route that we initialize, and then I pass in the URL. So the URL is use / user add, and then I have a response model, which means it should show the user after it has been added, and then I tag only admin because only admin will use this URL. I don't need the current user. Um, I then define a function called create user, and this function I define a request which should be my pydantic create user class. So I'm expecting the email, location, GPS address, password, and then it's active, which can be none, like which cannot be passed. So over here, as you can see, I make use of the function that I created, the create function on user .py in the repository that I created. So as I said, this function goes to the database, check if the email exists, then throw an exception. If not, add the information that it received through the request into the database, but on the other hand, hash the password as well. So that is exactly what I did. So I now consume this function here. And then when you come to my Swagger UI, you could see that we now have the create user push request added to the admin. And when I expand it, I just make my first request with this data, and then I execute it, and then it returned the save user details for me, meaning my request went through. So now we'll move on to the next function. The next function is to, I think, let's go for delete a user. Yes, let's delete a user. And this function will be consumed only by the admin.